my esteemed colleagues on the bench, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Kumar Srivastava and his relatives present, Mr. R.G. Shahi, President Awadh Bar Association, Shri Kuldeep Pati Tripathi, Additional Advocate General, Government of UP, Shri S.B. Pandey, Deputy Solicitor General of India, senior advocates, learned state law officers, learned members of the bar, officers and members of the registry. It is both a privilege and a poignant moment to stand before you today as we gather to mark the retirement of Justice Ajay Kumar Srivastava, whose years of service to the bench have left an indelible mark on the judiciary and the broader legal community. Today, we do not merely bid farewell to a judge, we honor a legacy of wisdom, integrity, and unwavering dedication to justice. Born on the 1st of June 1963 in village Nariyawa, district Basti, Uttar Pradesh, Justice Srivastava was nurtured in a family of values and learning. His father, late Shri Harish Chandra Srivastava, was an advocate practicing on the civil side in the district court at Gorakhpur, while his mother, late Srimati Sushila Srivastava, was a devoted homemaker with deep religious inclinations. Justice Srivastava's academic foundation was laid at Government Jubilee Inter College, Gorakhpur. He went on to complete his BSc and LLB with first division honors, an early sign of his disciplined intellect and dedication. In 1985, he qualified the prestigious PCSJ examination in his first attempt and was appointed as Munsif Magistrate in 1987 at the young age of 24. Since then, his judicial career has been a testimony to balanced reasoning and compassionate jurisprudence. He served in various capacities: judicial magistrate, civil judge, special chief judicial magistrate, additional district and sessions judge, and principal judge of the family court. He served with distinction as district judge in Sonbhadra, Saharanpur, and Agra. Notably, he held the office of Registrar General of the Allahabad High Court from November 2019 to March 2021, contributing significantly to judicial administration. On 25th March 2021, he was elevated as an additional judge of the Allahabad High Court and became permanent judge on 21st June 2022. His judgments reflect clarity, fairness, and a deep sense of justice, qualities that have earned him the respect of the bench and bar alike. Behind every great man is a great family, and Justice Srivastava is no exception. His wife, Srimati Renu Srivastava, a highly qualified lady possessing MSc and MAd degrees, chose the noble path of dedicating herself to the homemaking and upbringing of her children, inculcating in them all moral and social values. In order to ensure the quality education and future prospects of her children, she did not think twice while turning down some attractive professional opportunities. Their daughter, Dr. Ankita Srivastava, is MDS and has served as senior resident at KGMU. She is now preparing for the UP PCS mains after qualifying the preliminary in 2024. His son-in-law, Dr. Arun Tiwari, who is also an MDS, is a reader in prosthodontics and presently pursuing his PhD. Their son, Mr. Ankit Srivastava, BTech Mechanical, is the founder and CEO of Vayan Private Limited, a rising entrepreneur. Brother of Justice Srivastava, Mr. Abhay Kumar Srivastava, is a Class 1 officer in Northeastern Railway, Gorakhpur. Dr. Arun Kumar Srivastava, another brother, is a professor of neurosurgery at SGPGI Lucknow, while his wife also practices medicine. Dr. Amit Kumar Srivastava, the youngest brother, is an orthopedic surgeon in Delhi, specializing in joint replacement. Wife of Dr. Amit is an assistant professor in a medical college. His sisters, Srimati Archana Srivastava, Srimati Abha Srivastava, and Srimati Anupama Srivastava, are all well educated and happily settled. Srimati Anupama Srivastava herself serves as an officer in Prayagraj. This rich and illustrious family background is a reflection of the values that Justice Srivastava upheld in his disciplined service and intellect pursuit. Justice Ajay Kumar Srivastava has served the bench with distinction, wisdom, and an unshakable belief in the rule of law. Throughout his illustrious career, he has delivered landmark judgments that have not only shaped legal discourse but also strengthened the foundation of our democratic values. Whether it was matters of constitutional importance or questions of individual liberty, his scripts always moved with clarity, compassion, and an unfailing sense of duty. Justice Srivastava believed in quality than quantity, yet his passion and devotion for dispensation of justice is apparent from the fact that he has decided more than 10,000 cases, which include 1,144 criminal appeals, 1,319 bail applications, 3,838 applications under Section 482 CRPC, and 319 criminal divisions. While I speak of his diligent efforts and dedication towards the cause of justice and his relentless pursuit of excellence, a couplet comes to my mind. शाहीन कभी परवाज से थक कर नहीं गिरता, पुरदम है अगर तू तो नहीं खतरे उफ्तार. Behind the robes of responsibilities and trust, Shri Ajay Kumar Srivastava has always been a human being of rare humility and empathy. He has been a true companion for his fellow colleagues, guide for his juniors, and a fair and discerning listener for the bar. Justice Srivastava's courtroom was a distinct source of justice where every voice, no matter how faint, was heard with respect and patience. I have had the privilege of sharing the bench with Justice Srivastava. I must say that his unwavering dedication and the engrossed hearing and observance of court proceedings molded our views to understand the issues better. His valued company on the bench ever since the last roster has continued till today. During association in the bench, his discreet and vigilant observance of the proceedings, coupled with his pointed queries, have shaped some of our best judgments. His association in the bench was a nice experience and of immense assistance in having an in-depth analysis of the issues involved. In our association on the bench, we shaped our ideas on agreement and agree to disagree too. This strengthened respect towards each other even deeper. As he lays down the ropes today, his legacy will continue to echo through our legal system, not just in the pages of law reports, but in the lives that have been touched by his fairness and intellect. Though retirement ends a formal rule, it does not end the wisdom and experience. Before demitting office, Justice Ajay Kumar Shrivastava has been offered appointment as the President, State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Many congratulations and good wishes to him for the said assignment. I express my deepest gratitude and heartfelt wishes for a fulfilling, peaceful, and joyful life ahead. The bench may lose a judge, but society retains a jurist of high experience. I, on behalf of myself and all my brother and sister judges, wish him joy and success in his further endeavors and pray to God that he may lead a healthy and comfortable life hereafter. Before summing up, I quote a famous couplet, "Jahan rahega, वहीं रोशनी लुटाएगा, किसी चिराग का अपना मकान नहीं होता." Thank you.
माननीय वरिष्ठ न्यायमूर्ति और वेदिका पर विराजमान सभी माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्री कुलदीप पति त्रिपाठी, एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, श्री एस.बी. पांडे, डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस अजय कुमार श्रीवास्तव, सीनियर एडवोकेट्स, अवध बार एसोसिएशन के समस्त पदाधिकारीगण और सदस्यगण, यहाँ पर उपस्थित अन्य अधिवक्तागण, भाइयों एवं बहनों, श्री अजय कुमार श्रीवास्तव, चूंकि इनके पिताजी को भी मैं जानता था गोरखपुर में, मैं वहाँ का हूँ, बहुत कम उम्र में 24 वर्ष की उम्र में उत्तर प्रदेश न्यायिक सेवा में ये सफल हुए और पहले ही प्रयास में सफल हुए, खास बात है। हम लोग तो कई प्रयास करने के बाद भी नहीं सफल हो पाए, इसलिए यहाँ चले आए। फिर जनपद न्यायाधीश के रूप में काम किया और इस हाईकोर्ट के रजिस्ट्रार जनरल रहे 4/11/19 से 24/3/2021 तक। एडिशनल जज बने 25 मार्च 21 को और परमानेंट जज बने 21 जून 2022 को। तो लगभग 3 वर्ष तक इन्होंने हम लोगों के अपना आशीर्वाद प्रदान किया सभी बार के लोगों को। इनके द्वारा डिसाइड किए गए केसेस की बहुत लंबी सूची भी है, तो उसमें कुछ केसेस को रिफर करने के पहले मैं जो इनके क्रेडिट में जो रिकॉर्ड है उसका उल्लेख करना चाहूँगा। इन्होंने 10,000 से ज़्यादा केसेस को डिसाइड किया, जिसमें क्रिमिनल अपील 1144, बेल एप्लीकेशन 1319, 482 की एप्लीकेशन 3838, क्रिमिनल रिवीजन 3019। जीवन में कुछ प्राप्त करना बहुत सी चीजों पर निर्भर करता है, जिसमें भगवत कृपा भी एक चीज है। तो निश्चित रूप से भगवत कृपा रही होगी, लेकिन कुछ प्राप्त करने के बाद सहज बने रहना यह व्यक्ति का अपना प्रयास होता है। इसमें ऑनरेबल जस्टिस अजय कुमार श्रीवास्तव सफल रहे, हम लोगों ने ऐसा महसूस किया। इसलिए मैं इस अवसर पर इस बात को कहना चाहूँगा कि ये इन्होंने लो प्रोफाइल रखा अपने आप को, और हम लोगों को इनसे मिलने में, बात करने में कभी कोई अड़चन नहीं महसूस हुई। अवसर है आज कुछ चीज़ों को कहने के लिए, हम लोग बार बार उस बात को कह रहे हैं। अभी कल परसों में न्यूज भी आई है कि कुछ और जजेस भी यहाँ से जा रहे हैं। तो अवध बार के अध्यक्ष के रूप में एक लाइन कहने के बाद मैं अपनी बात समाप्त करूंगा। देखी जमाने की यारी, बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी। हम अवकाश प्राप्ति के बाद न्यू असाइनमेंट के लिए, इनके स्वास्थ्य के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं। और अवध बार के सभी सदस्यों की तरफ से अपनी कार्यकारिणी के सदस्य इनके उज्जवल भविष्य और इनके अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की भी कामना करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Honorable Senior Judge, Honorable Justice A.R. Masoodi ji, and other Honorable Judges of this Honorable High Court, Sri R.D. Sahi, President Awadh Bar Association, Sri Suryabhan Pandey, Senior Advocate, Deputy Solicitor General of India, learned Senior Advocates, learned members of the Bar, members of the Registry, and other staff members. My lords, we have assembled here on the occasion of farewell of Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Kumar Srivastava. His Lordship was born on 1/6/1963 in district Basti and has completed his early education from Gorakhpur. His Lordship did his BSc from DAV Degree College, Gorakhpur in the year 1982, and thereafter his Lordship has completed LLB from Gorakhpur University in the year 1985. His Lordship appeared in PCSJ examination in the year 1985 itself, and in the first attempt, he was selected as a Munsif Magistrate in the year 1987. At the age of 24 years, his Lordship was posted in different positions in different districts of Uttar Pradesh as Judicial Magistrate, Civil Judge, Special CJM, Additional District Judge, and Session Judge, Principal Judge, Family Court. Thereafter, his Lordship was promoted as District and Session Judge and worked as District Judge Sonbhadra, Saharanpur, and Agra. His Lordship also worked as Registrar General, Honorable High Court of Judicature at Allahabad from 2019 to 2021 till his elevation. His Lordship was elevated as an Additional Judge of Allahabad High Court on 25/3/2021 and took oath as Permanent Judge on 21 June 2022. His Lordship's father, late Harish Chand Srivastava, was a prominent lawyer in the Gorakhpur. His mother, late Susila Srivastava, was a housewife. His wife, Srimati Renu Srivastava, is a housewife having excellent educational qualifications. Elder daughter is a doctor and son, Mr. Ankit Srivastava, is BTech in Mechanical Engineering and is founder of a company, Women Private Limited. His Lordship has a vast knowledge in criminal and civil matters as well as constitutional matters. His Lordship has decided so many criminal appeals, bail applications under Section 482 CRPC, criminal revisions, and constitutional matters, and has decided more than 10,000 cases. Although his Lordship is retiring from this Honorable High Court, but will be with us as Chairman of State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. With these few words, I wish to express best wishes on my own behalf as well as on behalf of Honorable Advocate General of Uttar Pradesh and state law officers for successful journey and pleasant life. I hope and trust his Lordship will now give more time to his family, relatives, and friends. Thank you.
The esteemed Senior Judge, Honorable Mr. Justice Sri A.R. Masoodi ji, Honorable Justice Sri Ajay Kumar Srivastava, and all other members, all other Honorable Judges sitting on dais, President of Awadh Bar Association Sri R.D. Sahi, Sri Kuldeep Pati Tripathi, Additional Advocate General, State of UP, designated senior advocates, learned members of Awadh Bar Association, officers and members of the High Court Registry, and family members of Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Kumar Srivastava. It is with a profound sense of respect, gratitude, and tinge of melancholy that I, on my own behalf, along with all councils of the Central Government of India, stand here today to bid farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Kumar Srivastava, a luminary of the Indian judiciary, as he concludes his illustrious tenure as a judge of the Allahabad High Court and above his retirement. Justice Srivastava's story is one of the exceptional educational excellence and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Your Lordship's journey, born on 1st June 1963 in a village of district Basti, is a testament to dedication, intellect, and unwavering commitment to justice. A first-class graduate in science from DAV PG College and in law from Deen Dayal Upadhyay University, Gorakhpur, Your Lordship set the foundation for a remarkable career by clearing Uttar Pradesh Judicial Services Examination in the year 1985 in your very first attempt. This achievement marked the beginning of a distinguished judicial career spanning nearly 4 decades. From your early days as a municipal magistrate in 1987, through your roles as judicial magistrate, civil judge, special chief judicial magistrate, additional district judge, and session judge, the principal judge of the family court, to your elevation as district and session judge in 2017, your Lordship has left an indelible mark on the judiciary. Your tenures as district judge in Sonbhat, Saharanpur, and Agra showcased your ability to uphold justice with fairness and compassion. Your administrative acumen shone brightly during your time as Registrar General of this very High Court from November 2019 to March 2021, ensuring the smooth functioning of one India's most prestigious judicial institution. Appointed as an additional judge of the Allahabad High Court on March 25, 2022, and confirmed as a permanent judge on June 21, 2022, Your Lordship has served as the administrative judge for the district of Banda with exceptional diligence. Your judgments have been a beacon of clarity, reflecting a deep understanding of the law and an unwavering commitment to equity. Your Lordship's tenure has been defined by a balance of judicial rigor and empathy, ensuring that the scales of justice remained straight and true. As a Deputy Solicitor General of India, I have had the privilege of witnessing Your Lordship's contributions to the legal system, both in the courtroom and beyond. Your ability to navigate complex legal questions with precision, coupled with your dedication to protecting the rights of common man, has earned you the respect and admiration of advocates, litigants, and colleagues alike. Your tenure has been shining example of what it means to serve the cause of justice with integrity and humility. As you set up into the next chapter of your life, Your Lordship leaves behind a legacy that will inspire generations of jurists and legal practitioners. While we bid your farewell from bench, we know that your wisdom and passion for justice will continue to guide us in spirit. On behalf of the legal fraternity, I extend your heartfelt gratitude for your monumental contributions to the Allahabad High Court and the Indian judiciary. We wish you, Honorable Mr. Justice Ajay Kumar Srivastava, a retirement filled with joy, good health, and new adventures. May you continue to inspire, whether through your wisdom, your words, or simply the example of a life well lived. संघर्षों की अनवरत कहानी है यह जिंदगी, संघर्ष जो सोने को कुंदन बनाता है, संघर्ष जो फर्श से अर्श का सफर तय करता है, संघर्ष जो ख्वाबों को हकीकत का लिबास पहनाता है और जिनके ख्वाब हकीकत में ढल पाते हैं, वही कुछ खास लोग यह सुपल जी पाते हैं. Thank you, Your Lordship, for your unparalleled service to the nation and the cause of justice. Jai Hind.
Honorable Mr. Justice Ataur Rahman Masoodi, Senior Judge Lucknow Bench, Honorable Sister and Brother Judges on the dais, Shri R.D. Shahi, President Awadh Bar Association, Shri Kuldeep Pati Tripathi, Additional Advocate General Government of Uttar Pradesh, Shri S.B. Pandey, Deputy Solicitor General of India, learned senior advocates, learned state law officers, learned members of Awadh Bar Association, members of registry, officers and staff of the High Court, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am indeed honored and deeply grateful for the kind and generous words spoken about me by the esteemed speakers. I extend my sincere thanks to each one of you for being present here today in this August gathering to share this moment with me. After completing my graduation in science, somehow I came to know that my father, late Shri Harish Chandra Srivastava, an advocate practicing on civil side in Gorakhpur, wanted me to pursue law and appear in PCSJ examination. I had no other option but to follow his wishes. In deference to his wishes, I did my LLB in 1985. Thereafter, I got selected in 1985 batch and joined as Munsif Magistrate in September 1987 at Devariya. Thus, I began my judicial career in 1987. Since then, I have been privileged to serve in this judicial justice delivery system for more than 37 years. It has been truly an enriching journey filled with valuable experiences and meaningful opportunities to discharge my duties at various levels. I'll remain thankful to the Almighty for granting me this path. My mother, late Srimati Sushila Srivastava, was a religious homemaker. My parents taught me the values of discipline, respect for others, especially elders, and the importance of humility and compassion. I firmly believe that the discipline they taught me has been the foundation of my entire career. I have followed these principles with utmost sincerity and intend to uphold them throughout my life. I must gratefully acknowledge that without the unwavering support and cooperation of my wife, Srimati Renu Srivastava, a postgraduate in zoology as well as in education, my daughter Dr. Ankita Srivastava, MDS, my son Mr. Ankit Srivastava, founder and CEO of Raven Private Limited, my brothers, particularly Dr. Arun Srivastava, a very renowned neurosurgeon at SGPGI, Dr. Amit Srivastava, a very renowned hip and knee transplant surgeon, my sisters and my sister-in-law, Dr. Parul Saxena and Dr. Neha. I could not have been able to perform my judicial and social duties effectively. They never interfered with my professional responsibilities, nor did they place demands that I could not fulfill. Their understanding and patience have been an unending source of support for me. During my brief tenure as a judge of this court, I had the privilege of being guided by every single honorable judge present on the dais today, which made my brief tenure here at High Court so meaningful and memorable for me. I have no words to express my gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Govind Mathur, the then Chief Justice of this court, who chose me as Registrar General of this court, and but for whose relentless support, I would not have been able to discharge my duties as Registrar General, and perhaps I would not have been here also. I have had privilege of sharing benches with Honorable Mr. Justice Govind Mathur, the then Chief Justice of this court, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Bindal, the then Chief Justice of this court, Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Upadhyay, presently Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Ramesh Sinha, presently Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Ataur Rahman Masoodi, Honorable Senior Judge Lucknow, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajan Rai, Honorable Mrs. Justice Sangeeta Chandra, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Chaudhary, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Singh Chauhan, and Honorable Mr. Justice Saurav Lohania, who provided me with the ample opportunity to learn the art of conducting the court without fear or favor and in a dignified manner. I am indebted to them for their invaluable guidance, which helped me a lot in my working across various jurisdictions during the rest of my tenure, and I thank them from the core of my heart for their untiring support and guidance and the trust they reposed in me. I have had a truly pleasant and memorable time with all my sister and brother judges, each of whom is a person of remarkable acumen and a constant source of inspiration. I have found them all to be deeply caring and affectionate, generously sharing insightful thoughts as well as light-hearted moments. I would be failing in my duty if I do not acknowledge with deep gratitude the relentless assistance rendered by Registrar General, Chief Private Secretary to Honorable the Chief Justice, Senior Registrar at Lucknow, Registrar Protocol, all registrars, staff car, section, Registrar General, and senior registrar at Lucknow, officers and officials of this court. In particular, the officers and officials of various sections of this High Court. I also wish to express my heartfelt thanks to my personal staff, Shri Mahesh Kumar, Assistant Registrar cum Private Secretary, Shri Chandrakant Singh, Private Secretary, Shri Ashish Deval, Private Secretary, Shri Shubhankar Thakur, Private Secretary, Shri Padam Prakash Srivastava, Joint Registrar cum Bench Secretary, Shri Jitendra Maurya, Deputy Registrar cum Bench Secretary, Shri Anish Kumar, Driver, MS Aditi Gupta, Research Associate, Shri Ramashankar Usher, Shri Rakesh Kumar Pion, Shri Ashish Nigam Pion, Shri Krishna Gupta Pion, Shri Jagatpal and Shri Ajay Yadav, my personal security officers. Each of them has provided relentless support, enabling me to discharge my duties effectively. I'll always cherish the memories and the experiences I have gained here at the High Court. Thank you all so much for being here today and allowing me to express my feelings. I am deeply touched by the honor you have done to me. Throughout my career, I have tried to maintain calmness and composure in the performance of my duties. If at any time I was harsh towards anyone, it was only in the larger interest of the institution and not otherwise. I sincerely seek your forgiveness. As I now hang up my robes, I do so with immense gratitude for your kindness today and always. Thank you once again for your support, good wishes, and for being an integral part of my journey, particularly for being present today in such a huge number. You all mean a great deal to me. And before I say finally goodbye, may I again recite a few lines which comes to my mind. नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है, कर याद रहे. Thank you so much.